Oh my gosh, what is this? Hey guys, I'm Kat.
And I'm Sadie.
And this is our 2 cents. Here's some more highlights for Noblesse.
As always, if you guys want to find this video in high quality, or if you want to check out our extended episode reactions, click the I for our Patreon, or the link in the description. So we've had several groups introduced already, with RAI and Frankenstein, the Nobles, Regis and Seira, as well as this mysterious union units. They're all working towards their individual goals. The unit is trying to find out what's going on with this coffin. Why are their agents disappearing? Regis and Seira are trying to find out what happened with this hospital. And RAI and Frankenstein are just trying to live their lives as peacefully and as neatly as possible.
So far, other than in the OVA, we haven't really seen too much of Rai's abilities. He's just kind of coasting right now. I'm wondering what it's gonna take. Like, will it be fighting this new unit or this other unit? Will his friends be in danger again? Because so far, like, M21 has been doing most of the fighting. I'm assuming the nobles will be able to handle themselves. So I'm curious, like, how high stakes are gonna get for him to, like, step in. Oh, I guess Shinwoo's done a lot of fighting too.
Shinwoo's done a lot of fighting too. We learned a bit of the backstory, or I guess a bit of the backstory was shown. Teased when it comes to nobles and noblesse and all that stuff. But I can tell you guys, without spoiling, there's more. There's definitely more. This is not it. The supernatural stuff, supernatural plot is coming soon.
So let's just get on into it and find out what's gonna happen. They're still at it. Oh, what the heck, really? These does seem young, though. He's like, I wish I could. He thinks he's controlling him. So he's been trying to control M21 too, right?
Yeah, he tried. And he noticed it didn't work. But
what did he try? It's down.
It hasn't multiplied enough. I love how Seira is just like, this is delicious.
Right,
I love
she's
this.
going for it.
Damn. It's building.
So now they're here. Okay, so now they know what they're up to. Oh, so unfazed. Was that Takio? Wow. Wow, so cool. Oh. Wow, look at so close. Aha, he was looking at Regis. Something shared.
It's like, what?
Do you look good? Oh, is it because he's short? Oh my goodness.
Felt that, like, bond.
Oh, they're like in a fight.
A hacking battle.
Yeah. Then they became best friends. Goodness, so noble.
Right? So much class.
Oh, she's a good girl. Thank you. No, he's in last time. Oh, is he gonna help?
Frankenstein's like, no, wait, no. So
there you go. He's so satisfied. Go ahead and kill me, please.
Yeran Bank? Yeran.
The school is Yeran too.
It is working.
Yeah. I like him, 21.
It's okay. You can live here.
Oh, they're right there. And they found him.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're not expecting
I
this?
was not expecting that.
Oh no. Keep you cool. Oh. Damn, he's going.
Oh, that hair. Oh.
Nothing for him.
Oh. Oh, I got a shoe.
Oh no. Oh shoot. Oh, here they are. They're gonna help him out.
Stepped in front of them. Protect him.
Oh. Oh shoot, he's here too. Damn. I was not expecting that.
Right.
Oh, he's mad at him? He thinks he lied to him? No, Steve passed it. Damn it.
Nope.
Is he doing it? Oh my gosh, what is this? The vacuum?
You know how?
It's
Oh,
not plugged in. He's trying.
Aww. Poor thing. He was like, I think this is how it's supposed to work.
It's like, yep, I'm getting the job done. At least he knew that's what it's for.
Yes. And
He's
at least it
learned
wasn't
that
like upside down or something.
Right. So we got a lot of this DA5. They're making their moves. What? So did it get further than you thought it would?
Yeah.
But I'm getting a little scared for M21.
Stakes are definitely rising.
I shouldn't be surprised that he thought that M21 was lying to him.
With the way he's already distrusting of M21, and then he hears like other people on that side saying, "Is this have to do with your mission?" It's plausible. It makes sense that he thinks M21's been lying to him.
I guess I was just hoping he would see like how he protected them and have more faith in that. But it's understandable why he wouldn't have this faith in him. But of course, once he was like feeling like he could settle down there and live a normal life, then they have to come in and ruin it. That's rude.
I know, that was so sad. Just when he was finally getting used to like a normal life.
That ordinary life. Gonna go home and do dishes. I know, right? This is so typical.
So normal, so boring.
I was surprised that Kranz is his name? That he came in and just kind of de-escalated everything. Like, I was expecting Regis to like start fighting, but just like, nope, let's get out of here. So what does that mean? I'm not too sure.
What does that mean?
I'm 50-50 on how I feel about Kranz. Maybe 64.
Which way?
Positive. I like him. Maybe I could like him as a villain if he stays a villain. So let's just get on into it and go see what's gonna happen. Let's go.
He's trying to see what he's did.
It's like a game for him. He's found out his information. We're gonna go meet you. Oh yeah, it couldn't be like anybody in the world, right? No.
Just with them. Oh, no. Not him.
I'm absolutely not.
Not because he deceived me, no.
But now he can't trust him, right? But maybe RAI trusts him. Maybe. He's learning. He's desperate. So they can't kill him. Because I was concerned.
No.
Oh. How considerate.
Right?
He seems to have more of a heart. Oh.
That was such an aggressive swallow, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh, here's the information he wants. The identity.
Now he's threatening them.
Damn.
It's true, he is the captain.
Yeah. Oh, he can't get that. But, you can. Not that.
No. Of course.
Wow. These two?
Yes, my sister. Oh, that's it. That's all I get of that.
Really?
Okay.
Okay, just a little tease.
And sickly?
He just thinks he's not sick.
Ooh. In person.
Ooh. Hey.
Oh.
So they're each gonna like meet up with them separately?
Such a good kid.
Oh, wow.
I mean, that's true though. Look how cute he is. You're a disgrace.
Oh,
that's so cute.
No.
No. Aww. What are they saying? Aww. They're just over here bonding over coffee.
So wholesome. Oh no. It's such different degrees of
I
it.
know, exactly. But they relate.
But they feel the same. Aniki.
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 Kyung.
Right.
High school student.
Oh, this younger sister? Is she being held hostage? Do you purposefully meet them though? What does it mean? Wow.
Oh. His voice changes so much.
Oh. He's never asked him. Oh.
It's like, it's no, I'm not trying to do anything.
He's like, what do you want from me? So he doesn't even want to be there.
So they're still supposedly looking for the coffin.
Oh.
Ooh, calling him out directly.
Congratulations. Oh. I didn't read the whole sentence. That's rude.
It's like, oh. Poor thing.
Oh. Oh, that was cool.
That was nice. That laugh. Oh my gosh.
So much emotion.
Yeah.
That's that.
The despair.
What is it? Someone's up there. I see.
Whoa.
So yeah, they're gonna go after them.
Oh, he just vanished like that.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh, I thought I was gonna cut him. Oh, he did cut him. Okay.
Ooh. What are these? Oh god.
Hammer.
Hammer.
Goes back to eating though.
Some drug.
Oh, okay.
Ooh. Was he gonna transform? Like Jake did?
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
I don't remember it being that grotesque.
He's like the younger to grow.
If the younger Toguro got big. Oh no, older Toguro.
I guess he's like a combination
Yeah.
of the two.
You're
No,
his
it's okay.
Oh.
Oh, you saw that. Damn. Does this mean it's gonna be up to RAI and Seira and Frankenstein?
I freaking say.
Oh, they're friends. Now they fight back.
Ooh.
I don't know.
Who fights? Who's they?
Takio and Tao. They're like, don't hurt our new friends, but not telling them that.
Meanwhile.
Right? The supermarket. Wow, and no one's there to eat it. Oh wow, so cute.
He's so proud, right? Just with the paper.
I feel like he's just wearing it and didn't do anything.
He's blushing.
Oh, she senses it?
Mm-hmm.
Because he's unconscious? I like where this is going. It's really making me care for these characters, so I'm like, they better stick around and not like sacrifice themselves or something. No. Their family must grow more. I have decided in my head that they're gonna have a large family in this house.
You've already adopted them.
Yes. I almost started to like Hammer, even. He's more likable than Shark.
Shark is despicable.
Yeah. Damn, I'm so sorry. I read that line wrong. I thought he was just like, I killed them all the time.
Oh.
But then when he said I killed all the ones you saved or spared,
Yeah.
like, that's rude. That's horrible.
Yeah.
Dome.
I liked seeing M21 so confident while bound. Like, he understands that they are not
In control.
Yeah. They're not in a position where he could die so easily, I guess. So he's like taking full advantage of it. And it was quite, I don't know, admirable, I guess. He's like, look at you.
Look at how far you've grown.
But he's been there for a few days.
Yeah, I think at this point it's probably been like a week. Because they had said a few days, and then they were like again a few days, so yeah, I think it's been a week.
So yeah, I guess their patience was running thin. But he did make it clear what conditions he wanted. So was Tao not even working to get them information?
I don't know if they'll. I doubt they're gonna show this in this anime anymore. But in the webtoon, it was like all the information about his comrades was redacted, or like it had disappeared, so he couldn't find anything.
But they just didn't tell him that.
Well, he was just like, "Well, find whatever you can." In the webtoon.
Okay. So he just wanted to bring him some kind of information.
was like, well, no, I'm not going to give you my information for nothing.
Right.
So bring me some things.
They'd probably just kill him afterwards anyway.
Yeah, exactly. So...
So that information is pretty top secret, I guess.
For reasons.
When Shark was fighting, he said the power of D?
Mm-hmm. The little pill.
Oh, so D is the pill.
Not like the power of D.
No, not that. I started wondering if that was like related to like their unit names or like how M21 is M21. Like, would he have the power of M? They have the power of D, DA5.
Mm-hmm. I could not answer that. Or I will not answer that.
君の妹のこと
We're getting this information about Takio's sister.
Mm-hmm.
So he doesn't want to be here, really. But I guess they wanted his skills or something. Maybe there's more to it than that. But the union has his sister hostage. So he doesn't know where she is. And I imagine the information to find that wouldn't be that easy, but Tao could try, but he hasn't tried.
Right.
What? 兄貴
That was so cute though. The interactions between Tao and the kids and Takio and the kids.
Yeah.
That was so sweet. So wholesome.
It really, I felt like my heart growing or something.
Like Takio just, wow, such a lovely couple, nice body.
Yeah.
Like it's so cheesy, but it works so well. It's just,
さよなら
I think for sure RAI will face cracks. I don't know about in the next episode, but eventually. And then I'm pretty sure it's looking like Tao and Takio can come to our side. I don't know, they're just too cute and they made them so likable here, so it's like... I mean, I guess they can make them likable so that you're despairing when they die. But I don't think so.
言うよって
I feel like it's really well paced
Mm-hmm.
as an anime adaptation, but because I already know what's happening, I wanted to go through the parts to get to the parts that I really want to see. Like, no, it needs to be built up. That's just my impatience getting to me, basically. But we're only on episode 4,
Yeah.
so we still got a ways to go.
It does feel like they're almost done with this DA unit.
Hmm.
Like, I feel like if Frankenstein and RAI and Seira do make it to them in the next episode, they could finish them off. Within the next 2 episodes, at least.
2 to 3, I think, yeah.
Oh, okay.
That would be my guess.
Hmm.
I think they're doing fairly well, animation-wise.
Yeah, it had some nice shots.
It has some really nice shots, actually.
I really liked when Tao grabbed Takio.
Yeah, they like...
That perspective.
Yeah! And
Point of view.
Takio's emotions,
Yeah.
when you have to like stand down, basically. Wow!
Like that hurt and betrayal you could see on his face.
Anger.
Anger, yeah.
Yeah.
I am liking where the plot is going. Very intrigued what's gonna happen. How they're gonna get out of this. I kind of want to see what happens when they all realize they're all together.
They're all connected.
Yeah.
The spider web.
So we'll just have to find out what happens in the next highlights. None of this would be possible without all of your support, and we just want to give a special thanks to
Brandon Scott,
Deck Demon 913,
Luis A. Sandoval,
Chris Poveroni,
Carly Mero,
Isaac Bedoya,
Phoenix Yang,
Jargo,
Takeshi,
Kyle Pax,
Jacob,
ASDF 617,
Poor Yorick,
K Drago,
Gavin Drake,
Conroy,
Gokos,
Jim Fungbrett,
Rajiv Kumar,
Aislinn,
Nato,
Blueberry Tangerine,
Lucas de Boosman,
Dayon,
and Brian and Mika Unjoku. It's thanks to all these wonderful people and all of our patrons on our Patreon that we can keep making videos like this one. So thank you guys so much.
Thank you guys.
You guys are awesome.
If you like what you're seeing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see more, you can check out our past videos.
Don't forget, you can follow us on our socials, linked in the description.
Thanks for watching. Please stay safe, everyone, and we hope to see you next time. Bye!